and happy Thursday. Oh my gosh, she vlogging, she back vlogging. Y'all have asked for more vlogs, so this is gonna be a legitimate weekly-ish vlog. I don't really know what my plans are for the entire weekend and the next couple days, but I'm gonna be trying to vlog as much as I can because I know you guys have missed the weekly vlog, so we back. I hear y'all, we gon' vlog. I did my makeup today because I've got new merch launching. Oh, actually, literally this video, I didn't even think about that. Okay, so Tiff's coming over to help me take some photos of the new merch. It's this really cute scissor t-shirt, and then on the back, wait, it says, oh no, this is just not a good angle, not good lighting. It says, create more, and I'll show you guys a way better, like, angle of that, a little more flattering probably when we start taking photos of the shirt. But I also did my makeup today in like very Adeline Morin fashion. I have yellow eyeshadow on, which I never thought I would ever have on my face ever in the entire world ever, except for that one time that Adeline did it. So this is the final look. It's a cut crease. Most y'all tippy. So I've got fake lashes on, did I lose a lash? I've got fake lashes on top of my lash extensions, so I'm going to get a fill tomorrow on my lashes because they look in a little jank. And I've got a cut crease with yellow shadow and like a gold gel glitter liner. So spent an hour watching a makeup tutorial of this look. It turned out okay, I'd say. I feel like my lashes are like doing a weird thing right now, but you know what? It's not bad. Toph is here. It's so hot. Wait, but also like you look like a freaking pool model right now. Like you're selling that flamingo. Guys, it's so hot. Like it is straight up summer. Give me your flamingo head. Okay, latch on. Oh. Mias, is this summer? We gotta put some sunscreen on your nose. Of the lunch post that you guys will definitely see on Instagram at laurDIY if you don't already follow me. Oh, I'm even in the frame. I'm not. Okay. Oh god, it's so hot. There's some behind the scenes for you at the expense of my camera most likely overheating. I am truly feeling like freaking Adeline Morin today. The yellow eyeshadow, yellow bathing suit. It's just a yellow vibe today. Adeline, I'm coming for your brand. Actually, just kidding. Cause like, I don't know, yellow's just not really my color. Like, right now, I'm feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it. But just like on a normal day-to-day basis, yellow's not really my thing. Also, look how cute Toph looks!
Okay, but honestly, your bathing suit is so freaking adorable.
Your bathing suit's cute.
Oh, thank you. It's so much hotter at Lauren's house than my house.
True.
I got wedgies.
Hi guys, and happy Saturday. I promised that I would up my vlog game this week and it'd be a legitimate weekly vlog, no matter if I was doing literally nothing, which is currently kind of what I'm doing right now. Moose and I are having a super chill Saturday. I think that we're gonna be going to a birthday party tonight for one of Tiff and Matt's friends. Not entirely sure. Apparently there's gonna be a mechanical bull there, so probably go follow me on Instagram for that because that's not something I think I want to put on the internet forever. Actually, maybe it is. I don't know. We'll find out tonight. I am just making the thumbnail for tomorrow's Sun DIY, which is buying DIY. No, wait, no. Wow, it's episode 4 and I still don't know the title. Buying YouTuber merch and DIYing it, episode 4. Tomorrow we have Jeffree Star, Lily Singh, aka Superwoman, aka my sister sister, and Jimmy from Mr. Beast. So I'm super excited. It's like a super eclectic group of people, but they're all 3 of my favorite content creators. So I'm super excited for you guys to see this episode. Oh my god, like they all turned out so good. Usually I have one that's like kind of rises above the others or one that's a favorite, but honestly, all 3 of these DIYs are bomb. Also, I can't remember how much I talked about the new merch launch on Thursday when I started this vlog. This t-shirt is super limited edition. We're probably only gonna do 1 run of it. There's not gonna be a ton of it, so if you wanna go grab it, you can go grab it now at shop.laurDIY.com, and it is so cute. Oh my gosh. Also, I just realized that I'm pretty sure Casey Neistat has a tattoo that says create more. Love that for us. I feel like Casey probably needs a t-shirt. Yeah. I wanted to also chat a little bit more about like the vlogging situation. Okay, wait, let me get comfy. On the topic of vlogging, I actually chatted about this on Twitter a little bit the other day. But basically, I feel like I kind of just finished going through a transition period of basically having no privacy in my life. I mean, obviously you guys know that Alex and I had a super public relationship and everything was on camera. And you know, I wasn't always the most comfortable with that. And that's like totally in the past. Like I feel no way about it now. But I feel like I just went from having no privacy to finally having a little bit of privacy. So it was that transition period of figuring out of what I thought you guys would be interested in and what was healthy for me to keep to myself and what was important for me to just really be in the moment and be able to enjoy different events or memories or, you know, whatever it is. And so I feel like now, getting back into vlogging, I just have such a healthier balance of the life that goes online and the life that stays private. And it's very much the same life. It's just, you know, what needs to be vlogged and what should kind of just stay between me and whoever I'm with. Oh no, have I been out of focus that entire time? Oh no. I also was like super conflicted about the whole situation because it always seems like the algorithm just like sucks vlogs out of your subscription boxes. And so when I would upload a vlog that just, you know, had a regular title, it wasn't clickbait, there was no drama, just, you know, regular life stuff, I would get tweets from you guys being like, oh, like, why didn't you upload today? And it made me so sad, but it doesn't matter. Like, I don't upload vlogs for views. I just want you guys to be a part of my life and, you know, see the behind the scenes of the projects I'm working on, the videos I'm filming, the collabs that I'm doing, and seeing all the cool stuff, you know, that I have the opportunity to do. And you guys have given me these opportunities. So that's why I want to make this super clear that I love vlogging. I love bringing you guys along with me in, you know, the biggest, best ways that I can and making you guys a part of this journey. I just had to find that balance after having no balance, going super private for a few months and, you know, falling back into the vlogging lifestyle and deciding what should be part of my vlogs. So that's basically it. Nothing crazy, no drums, no tea, no shade, just mooses. So that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna head to that party I think tonight, and tomorrow I think I'm headed down to West Hollywood for the Pride Parade and the whole Pride celebration for Pride Month, and this will be my first Pride. I'm super excited, and oh my gosh, I will definitely be vlogging that because I think it's gonna be insane. And then I have a super special collab on Monday happening that I have been working towards for so freaking long. It's not a DIY, it's not a wrap or anything, but it's something that I've never shared on my channel before, and I'm super nervous and super excited, and I'm gonna be vlogging the whole behind the scenes day. So by the end of this vlog, you'll know what it is. But yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to say hi and check in with you guys because I promise, I'm back on my vlogs and I'm back on my vlog game. I'm sorry that I had to step back a little bit from vlogging, but we're back. Good morning, guys, and happy, what, is that a sunflare? What's going on there? Is it a sunflare? Oh no, is the camera wobbly right now? Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday DIY. I just uploaded the buying YouTuber merch and DIYing it episode 4 video, and I am currently on, oh, you know what, we gotta fix this. We gotta pull over and fix this. There we go, y'all are secure now. So I am currently on my way to Target to grab some pool floaties because it is currently 90 degrees today, and my plans to go to the Pride Parade this morning fell through. So I was super bummed about that, but I honestly ended up staying out later last night than I anticipated. So I'm kind of okay with having a chill day because I have a crazy week this week. And also too, I think it's important to just, you know, be an ally and support who you want to love every single day. Obviously, I love that there's an entire month dedicated to Pride and celebrating, but I'm an ally every day. Love who you want to love, and I truly believe that. So hopefully I'll make it to the parade next year. So today is just a chill pool day. I think my car literally says that it's 107 degrees in here. I don't even know what that is in Celsius. I think it's like too hot that it's not even on scale anymore. Oh no, this alfalfa. Oh no. I haven't read a book in a really long time, so I kind of want to just, you know, float in the pool, listen to some music, read a book, hang with Moose, go pick up a salad I think from Gelson's for lunch, and just have like a little relaxing day at home. I legitimately have bruises on the inside of my knees from the mechanical bull last night. Oh my god, like it's, oh god, they're so painful. Was it worth it? I don't really know. Tiff and I also went on together, and that was a terrible, terrible idea. That'll probably be my first and last time on a mechanical bull, but that's okay. So anyways, en route to go get some new floaties. My floaties from last summer did not really survive the winter. I tried to like hose them down and kind of scrub off whatever is stuck to them from last year's pool situation. Oh my goodness. I think it's maybe just time to get some new ones, and we'll recycle and put to sleep the old ones from last summer. Hi guys, and happy Monday! Oh my gosh, so I am filming potentially the most random collab that I've ever filmed. For me, the farthest thing from a DIY ever, because I am playing piano for Cimarelli! Wow, This like lighting slash like the position you guys are in is just so good. So I get to be the 7th Cimarelli sister today. And we're doing 2 bomb songs. I won't give it away, but I'm super excited. Everyone's watching me vlog right now. And it's super The pure space that we booked out is so cute, and this piano is she vintage. This is what she looks like. Yeah. Well, this key's like not even going. There's an E here that's just like, no, not today. These guys sound so freaking good. It's crazy. Y'all are so talented. So stay tuned for posting dates because we are filming some bomb music videos right now. I'm so excited. Excited for you guys to see this. It turned out so good. This like area is so cute. We already recorded our actual versions of it so you can see the music video and a performance and stuff. I'm so excited. This is like so out of my element. Also, I've been like tweeting that I've been working on something super random and cool the last month or so, and this is it. So surprise, this is the announcement. Oh my god, thank you. Thank you.
You should watch the video. It's really good.
This will be up in like a couple days, and then that video will be up in like a little bit.
In a couple weeks.
In a couple weeks, we gonna watch it. But I've been practicing so hard, and it's been like a hot minute since I played piano, so it was so much work on my part to like get up to speed and revive my piano skills. Good morning guys and happy Tuesday. So today is a psycho busy day for me. I am gonna finish this vlog up today. I'm filming my Sunday video today, which is recreating YouTuber Instagrams. Oh my gosh, guys, like my stylist helped me pull together some of these outfits and they are so good. I'm so excited to do these pictures. It's gonna be so bomb. Oh my gosh, like this might be my best one yet. I did this video with Mia maybe last spring, and it was so much fun, and I feel like it's kind of coming back where people are dressing like celebrities and stuff for a week, but because it's like 1,000 degrees right now in LA, I figured I would just go for the photos instead of like actually having to like live in intense clothing for the entire week. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed some of that behind the scenes footage from the Cimarelli collab. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I was going over some of the footage last night. It looks so incredible. They are genuinely so sweet and so talented. Oh my gosh, like it's insane. They sounded amazing. Like I was fangirling as I was playing. I was like, oh my god, they're so good. I feel like the piano thing was like kind of random for probably a lot of you. I think I've played maybe 10 seconds of piano in a vlog maybe once in my 7-year YouTube career. So for those of you who don't know, I actually played piano from like ages 4 until 18. I taught piano and guitar in high school to like little kids and stuff at my studio. And yeah, that was like kind of just a different chapter of my life that I haven't really touched on in a really long time. So yeah, it was definitely a massive challenge having to revive my piano skills to be good enough to play with Cimarelli, but it was such a fun challenge. I don't know if I'm like ready to hop into anything crazy music related, but it definitely was so fun and something really different. And I thought you guys would be excited to see kind of a different side of something that was a massive part of my life growing up. And then tonight, I'm going to the Toy Story 4 premiere. I'm so excited. Holy crap. Toy Story 4. I feel like this kind of came out of nowhere. Like Toy Story 3, I thought that was the end of it, and then Sporky or Forky, whatever the new character's name is, just came along and was like, yo, we got Toy Story 4. So that's happening tonight as well. My lips are so overlined because we just finished Hannah's look. I had a wig on, I had a beanie on. I've still got a little bit of the outfit on, but oh my god, I look like an entirely different person. Looks like a fish. So I've got Brian and Matt here helping me recreate these photos. I'm so excited for you guys to see. But I'm gonna go attempt to scrub my lip. I look so weird. I don't know how I feel about it.
Go scrub your lips off.
Yeah, go scrub my lips off. Okay, switching over vlog cameras. We are on the G7X now, and I am ready for the premiere. This is like a super flowy, cute floral. So I had this like really fun sparkly dress picked out, and then I got the dress code memo, and it said summery casual. And what I had originally been on wearing was definitely not summery or casual. So I got something else, and this is like super fun. I feel like I'm like a mama going to brunch. Hopefully like an okay looking like hot mama going to brunch, like, but very like summery, flowy, and like also bless this dress because I'm feeling really bloated right now from dinner. Okay, so the movie was so good. I laughed, I cried, my heart felt good. There's a Toy Story band just absolutely getting it right now, and we're at the after party. It was so good! this is definitely not the most flattering light. This is like weird nest chair lighting. Guys, honestly, I'm too tired to move elsewhere. Okay, holy crap, Toy Story 4 was so good. It doesn't come out for another few weeks, so make sure to go see it when it does. I'm not getting paid to say that. It legitimately was so good. I was nervous there was gonna be too many new characters and like new storyline that kind of came out of nowhere, but loved it so much. So anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. I really tried so hard to be on my A+ vlogging this week because I'm back vlogging. Again, I'm sorry for the break. It was essential, but we're back. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to go check out the merch store for the limited edition scissors tee that is launching right now as this vlog goes live. shop.laurDIY.com. And I will see you guys on Sunday for a new video, and again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen.
Yes, I'm Maria Elite.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.